Good evening. I guess the fire alarm's going off in this hotel I'm in. Having a beer. People are starting to collect out front, so I might run out and make sure the building's not really on fire. Let's look first. Damn. Looks like I might go out and see, but hopefully it's just a false alarm. Leo. Get my money here. Get my phone. Onward. Better grab another beer just in case we don't come back. Oh, good. There you go. I'm glad I didn't rush out there. Let's look at these guys. Oh, power just went out. Oh, you know why it went out? Because I took my key card out of the door. Where did I put it? Or did I? Yeah, I did take it out. All right. Oh, I was gonna leave it on top of the fridge. Yeah, all right. Back in business, guys. Let's check it out. They're rarely... I've had this happen once or twice, but I'm about assuming somebody is probably just smoking in the room or something stupid. Now, I bet fire engine response time around here is... Oh, I bet it's a while. Nope. Yeah, they just had either a false alarm or somebody was smoking. Alright, well. I tried to make a video. Peace, guys.